Hi guys, my name is Dr. Chelle. Welcome to the Dr. Test Prep YouTube channel. I'm so thankful you care about yourself and your future to do the best that you can on the PSAT and SAT math, which is the focus right now of this series on my YouTube channel. So we are looking at Khan Academy Unit 8, Lesson 4. Now, I have intentionally not made these multiple choice. If I made them multiple choice, they would be very easy. If you want to see how you would do it if they're multiple choice, head over to Unit 4, Lesson 4. But I'm going to be a teacher. I'm going to teach you how to do it. And hopefully this will really help you as we go through this. So first we have simplify this expression. Anytime I see a fraction bar, I like to rewrite it. So I've got 2x divided by 3 over x. When I do this, we're going back to like third and fourth grade, keep, change, flip. So we're going to keep the 2 over x. We're going to change the divide symbol to a multiplication symbol, and then we're going to flip the fraction. Now we can just do 6th and 7th grade reducing. I notice there's an x in the denominator here and an x in the denominator here. The 2 and 3, they can't be simplified any further. So our answer is 2/3. All right, let's take a look at the next example. Same thing. I'm going to write 4p divided by p minus 1 divided by 2 over p. Now, I put this in here to be a little tricky because a lot of times kids will be like, oh, let me just cancel the p's out. We can't do that, okay? This whole p minus 1 is a factor, so we can't just cancel it out. And we didn't do the keep, change, flip to move this p where it's supposed to go. So this is going to be 4p divided by p minus 1. That's our keep. We're going to change the division sign to multiplication, and then we're going to flip the fraction. Now, once we've done that, now we can say, well, I notice that there's a 4 in the numerator and a 2 in the denominator, and the 4 and the 2 can be simplified. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Here, we cannot cancel these p's out because, again, this is one whole term, p minus 1. So when we multiply across, we get 2. I'm going to make this extra long, times p divided by p minus 1. So p times p is p squared. So our final answer is 2p squared divided by p minus 1. Again, if it was a multiple choice question, it would be way easier, okay? But I want to show you how to do it just so that you learn. I don't know how they're going to ask you the questions, but I just want to show you how you can do it. Again, if you want to learn how to use a Desmos calculator, if it was multiple choice, Unit 4. All right, let's move on here. Now, this is already multiplication. So what we're going to do is we're going to just see what's in common. I notice here that I have a 2 in the numerator and I don't have any numbers in the denominator. So I know my 2 is going to stay. I notice that I have x plus 1 as an idea here. And I notice that I have 2 x plus 1s here, because that's what the squared means. So all I'm going to do is cancel this x plus 1 out with one of these. Okay, so far we've dealt with the 2. Now I have a 3 that can't be reduced anymore, so I'm going to put 2 times 3 here. And I notice that here, just like we did with a previous lesson, we have x squared, which it's like, are there more x's on the top or on the bottom? This doesn't count. This can't be reduced. This is just x plus 1. So we do have more x's on the top. Here we have 2 and here we have 1. So we're going to just cancel this out and this becomes the x. Now, just to simplify it, I just have to multiply 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6, x divided by x plus 1. And now we're done. All right, come back for the next video where we're going to go over some harder examples. Again, unfortunately, without the Desmos calculator, just in case you need to know, like I'm really thinking these are probably questions that are in the 600 to 620 area. So that's why I didn't want to use Desmos on this. But if it was multiple choice, it would be super easy. All right, I'll see you soon.